Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Now today I had to film this one as we are at a massive B.A.D Abarth meet today. But it's not just any old meet, we are celebrating B.A.D Abarth's 4th birthday. And of course I'm joined here by founder, Sammy.
Hi guys.
Yeah, 4th birthday bash here at Rivo's Hub. Just to note, Rivo's Hub have since upgraded their location, so we're here at the old Sanford Hub. How many cars are here approximately at the moment? Any count?
So we're approximately on 70.
And we've completely taken over Rivo's Hub here. There's modified Abarths here, standard Abarths, some Fiats as well, Maseratis.
Yeah, we've got lots. We've got club sponsors, so we've got Osmo Motorsport, we've got Small Car Services, Malone, which is our main Abarth dealer, and we've also got Dragon Powerlands who to support us today. We even have Think Racks over in the corner doing a demo. We've got a raffle for Mind Charity. We've got a £450 remat. We've got Think Wraps, wrapping, window tints, you name it. We've got it. Track days. We've got so much.
A lot of good prizes. Hold on a minute. So not only at this event were B.A.D Abarth South Coast raising money for the Dorset Mind charity, Sammy here has taken it upon herself to complete 100 miles in March to raise even more money for the Dorset Mind charity. I will leave a link in the description to this video if you want to help and support Sammy by raising funds for an amazing charity. Link in description to this video. Let's take a look at the cars. Sarah's got the finger out. No, not that one. I mean that one. So we've got a Fiat 500 convertible here. We've got the Adrenaline Green Competizione. My parents are here. Just had to move their car for them because they're inside enjoying the pub's refreshments, food and drinks. My dad's got his Strada Abarth here. We'll be doing another video on that very soon. 695 Apostos just turned up, very rare car. I've seen these ones before. Just trying. Some guys have already started to leave already, but that's fine. We've got Daryl here. He cleaned his car especially for this meet. It had to be done obviously, and he wrapped it over the car cover. Always the cleanest looking Abarth. I have to always make a comment on that. I've seen this one before, so this one's got the vented bonnet. I like this one because we've got the red and white. This is probably an SS, I would think. Then we've got a couple more tucked around here. That's Rivo's Hub's massive. I was going to say bus, more of a coach, isn't it really? And then this is a dirty looking Abarth, which means it's well used, so I actually like that. We got a 695 limited edition, very rare as well, Ferrari edition. Punto Abarth, don't see many of them. We got the Scorpiano edition there. 695 Anniversario edition. Would love to own that. Got Casey the Abarth, that is the name of the Abarth. This red one with the bright green on it, it's pretty cool. And then we've actually got a Panda here as well. That's a clean one. Daryl, your car's looking clean as per.
Clean.
Clean.
Apart from the wheels are probably still dirty.
No, they're nice and white at the moment still. They're still nice and white, it's all good. And we've got a Honda Jazz. Yeah. BMW. This one's actually got the 70th edition plaque on it. This Trofeo's actually got some nice carbon bits on it on the rear. And then this one is Simon's. This one is always full of carbon, always clean. I believe he's had a lot of big engine work, but I won't go into what it is because I'm not too sure. But as you can see, the bits that we can see, you've got the induction kit, turbo blanket. I believe it's an upgraded turbo now. We've got another bonnet open on this one. This one here, sporting lots of forged goodies. We've got the half engine cover there as well, but the old silicone piping, oil catch can. Can't get that wrong because it says it on the tin, literally. Carbon battery cover, another turbo blanket as well. Then I used to have one of these blue ones. Then we've got Pedro in his Competizione. We've got a white convertible and it actually braved having a roof down. Carbon back save out seats, that's an automatic with beautiful tan leather. Oz racing wheels on this one, this looks pretty cool actually. Got the Brembos poking through there as well, nice setup. Then we've got Michelle's very modified pink wrapped. That's how she bought the car though, but it looks very cool. I don't know if I've shown you this too much actually on YouTube, but she has got many plans for this car, and hopefully we can get it in its own video one day. As you can see, it's got the kind of chameleon window, front window tint as well, windscreen tint I should say. And then we got the Jam. Oh, that's got some nice wheels. I think they're new. Again, very clean Bath with some little pretty flowers in it. Another SS here, seen this one many times. Cute little Cinquecentos here. Seen this one a few times, loving the Italian colours and the forged carbon actually on the front. It's very cool. Another blue, got to show love to the blue, seeing this I used to have one myself. You've got Vigo the Abarth here, repping the driven 24/7. Another red convertible. Got Competizione with some yellow detailing. Adrenaline green Abarth. What I really like about this one is the kind of stripes there, because they're just outlined and not kind of filled in, if that makes sense. You've also got the Abarth around the wheel arch, quite like that, it's pretty cool. And again, the kind of outlines of scorpions instead of having a full-on scorpion, if that makes sense. We've got the orange wrapped Abarth 124 Spider. I used to own one of these, not wrapped in orange though. Seen this one plenty of time. It's with a big scorpion exhaust system on. We've got another red Series 3 Competizione. We got Sam's painted orange, I'm going to say here, very heavily modified Abarth. Nice to see him and his toy today. We got Pete, this is Sammy's dad, so Sammy's the founder of the club, we spoke about earlier. Her dad's recently got an Abarth, and this is his, and it's actually the really nice kind of pearlescent white. You can't quite see that in camera today. And then we have Dom's Abarth here, with the gold wheels, gold Abarth sticker, of course. A couple of yellow ones here, and this one's a comp, another blue comp. So we've got the admin members here, so we've got Sammy, founder, Sarah, one of the admins, Michelle, one of the recent members of the admin team. We've got Hannah here in her bagged Fiat 500, and in front of Rivo's own show van, let's say, in the container, we have a Maserati. Seen this one before, looking quite clean, being a black car to be honest. I've also seen this one before because it's got the coloured in grille, which should be plastic coloured, but it's all in white. That's also got a windscreen tint. Seen this one a few times, really like this, a few different colours going on with this. We've got the red, we've got the chrome of the mirrors, we've got the yellows of the Brembos and the white stripes, and we've also got the black leather, but you can just about see that. And we've also got a Nissan GTR, one of B.A.D's sponsors. We've got Osmo, they're a local remapping company. And then over here we've got a 24 plate, it must be pretty new then, all white Abarth there. Got another red one. Then out the back here, I haven't seen Rivo's parked cars here before, but they have today. We've got a Panda 100 horsepower, I believe that belongs to the other admin member, Dawn. I hope it does, because I've said it now. We've got a couple of other Abarths tucked away here. This is pretty cool. Liking the grey and pink one, seen that one before. Another Fiat 500, love seeing the Fiats here as well. An all white one, massive spoiler, I think I've seen that before. But yeah, a couple kind of hiding away out here. We have Bella the Abarth, we have another Adrenaline green, and another red one. Let's just have a look at Bella. Massive front splitter going on there, bit of red carbon effect there as well. Loads of carbon. God, that's a full-on angry bonnet on this one. I think I've probably seen this one before, but it's so modified, it's nice to take a bit of time to have a look at it again. Carbon, red Brembos, different wheels, not standard. More massive, aggressive vents. Big old scorpion on the back. I like that. And massive wing. Carbon just everywhere on this one. What? Oh god, yeah, I remember seeing the red tip, so yeah, we've seen this one before. Just had a look, this one's actually got a whole Abarth like racetrack in it with all sorts of small to bigger Abarth models. Wow, that's pretty bad. Look who I bumped into, Bad Shaz. Now you've been planning a little secret which none of us have known about. I knew it was going to happen, but none of us knew when. And today you brought your car along, obviously, to the B.A.D Abarth 4th birthday bash, but it looks a little bit different.
Just a little bit.
It's had a big old treat.
Yes, it has.
So we'll do a little grand unveiling on my little YouTube channel of it, okay?
Yes.
Come on, Mum. Here we go. So what's the colour called then, Shaz?
So it is called Rushing Riptide.
So it's a colour changing wrap, and took about 4 days to be completed, I believe.
Yeah, 4 days.
And when did you pick it up?
Yesterday.
Just in time
yesterday.
for today.
Yeah, just yesterday.
And it is getting a lot of attention because that's what we want from a nice new wrap, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
And you turned up apparently. I wasn't here, but everyone was like, "Who the hell's that?" And it was little Shaz in her new wrapped car.
Yeah, because nobody knew. Complete surprise.
Nobody knew.
No, nobody
I knew it was
knew.
going to happen, but you didn't tell me it happened. You
No.
told no one. I
No
absolutely
one.
love that. But yeah,
No.
it's here for the first time on show, on display. Proud of you, Shaz. You've done it.
Yeah, thank you.
Right guys, you currently join me back at home in my Golf GTI, which is just getting tucked away on the driveway at the moment. It is raining, as you might be able to see from the background, so I'm not doing an outro to this video outdoors, that's for sure. But luckily, because Rivo's hub is now in a pub, we all managed to kind of hide ourselves away indoors, and we had the raffle prizes were announced. As Sammy, the founder of B.A.D Abarth, said all the money was going to a very good charity, so that's all good. So hopefully lots of money raised for charity today. Really great meet. I was a bit overwhelmed with filming the meet. I wanted to film the meet because obviously it's B.A.D Abarth birthday meet, not just any old meet from them, and just felt so overwhelmed when I got there. Like, what do I look at? Who do I talk to? Like, it's just so much to do and look at and film. And the video hopefully will come across kind of more casual. My mum was holding the camera, like getting me talking to people, and yeah, just a big thank you to basically B.A.D Abarth South Coast and the amazing admin team for putting on a really big 4th birthday party meet today and all the other events that I still go to even though I own a VW, because I've made some good friends there and I still want to go and they don't mind me going, so that's all good. I just wanted to film this one because it was a special meet to film, and obviously it's full of Abarths, which I still have a love for even though I don't own one anymore at the moment, but you never know. So thanks for watching this one. Well done to B.A.D Abarth South Coast on their 4th year anniversary birthday party bash thing, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And big love to Bad Shaz, my good mate, and their amazing car, which we probably didn't do it justice in the video, but I'm sure we'll do a full video on her car to come soon. But anyway, thanks for watching.